This video is over volume of cylinders, and much like the formula that we learned with prisms, it's going to be big B times H. So just remember that the volume is a measure of space inside a 3D figure. The formula is big B times H, where again, big B is the area of the base, and the height is the height of the figure. So, what shape is the base? It's a circle. Find the area of the base. Well, the area of the base for a circle is going to be pi r squared. So then you're going to multiply the area of the base by the height, and then units are cubed for volume. So if you think about it, the reason units are cubed, so we're plugging in pi r squared for big B. You've got r times h. That's 1, 2, 3 dimensions being multiplied by each other. That's why we cube our labels. So on this particular example, we're going to calculate the area of the base, which is pi r squared. 3.14 is what we're going to use for pi. The radius is 8. So 8 times 8 is 64. And 64 times 3.14 is 200.96. The height, and this is area, so it's meters squared. The height of the figure is 5 meters. So meters squared, again, that's where our meters cubed comes from. So to find the volume, we need to multiply 200.96 times 5 and figure out what that equals. So that's going to be 1004.8, and again, that's meters cubed. So big B, that's the area of the base, pi r squared. Again, 3.14 times our radius, which in this example is 4. So 16, 4 times 4 is 16, times 3.14 is 50.24. And that is feet squared. The height is 10. So volume equals big B times H. Big B was 50.24. The H was 10. So that's going to give me 502.4. And again, this is feet cubed. The decorative rain gauge shown has a height of 13 centimeters and a diameter of 3 centimeters. How much water can it hold? Well, the water that it can hold is referring to volume. It is 13 centimeters high. Now, it gave us the diameter. We want the radius. So the radius is going to be 1.5. So volume equals big B times H. Big B is pi r squared times H. I'm going to plug in 3.14 times my radius, which is 1.5, because it's radius squared, and then my height is 13. So from there, I just multiply all these numbers together, and I've already got this pre-figured out, so you don't have to wait for me to do calculations. And that's going to give me 91.8, which is centimeters cubed. And our last example for this part is we are going to figure out which one will hold more, the rectangular pan or the 2 round pans. So remember that volume is still big B times H, except the B here is 13 times 9. So 13 times 9 times the height, which is 2. So 13 times 9 times 2 is 234 inches cubed. Here's 1. And then we need to do big B times H. That's going to be pi r squared times H. And there are 2 of them, so I'm going to have to multiply by 2 at the end. So 3.14 times my radius. Okay, if the diameter is 8, the radius is 4. 4 times 4 times H, which is 2. And then I need to multiply that by 2 because there are 2 pans. So this is going to give me 100.48. That's the volume of 1 pan. And when I multiply that by 2, that's going to give me 200.96 inches cubed. So which one's going to hold more? The rectangular. All right, complete the next few pages in your workbook, and we will go over them tomorrow.